Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to mirror sketch. So you can go to parametric body, new sketch, and I will choose top plan. As example, you can draw with polyline tools. I will create here a simple object with the polyline. And the next, if you want to mirror this sketch, you can select the sketch object. Or you can click this icon's mirror. You can select for the mirror line, so you can click here to mirror to the right, or with these lines to mirror to the top here. Another option, you also can create for another mirror lines, like I will create with these line tools from this point to the top here. And then you can select the sketch, click mirror tools, and then you can click on the mirror lines to mirror the selected entities. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1, how to mirror sketch.